Hey there, how's life? I hope you're doing well. So in this video, you will get to know about an internship primarily for civil engineers. An important announcement is that the last day for form filling for this internship is 30th September 2020. So let's start. The internship is being presented by Jaipur Smart City Private Limited, and they are inviting interns for this internship with a duration of 6 months. This is selectively for students having a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. So now let's go through the other details one by one. As you can see, it is being presented by Jaipur Smart City Private Limited with a duration of 6 months for students having bachelor's degree in civil engineering. The roles for this internship are as follows: analyze structured drawings, report geological maps and other data to plan projects, provide cost estimates for material equipment or labor to determine project's economic feasibility, perform such other duties as the supervisor may from time to time deem necessary. The stipend for this internship for 6 months will be INR 15,000 per month. The last date to apply for this internship is 30th September 2020. The following candidates are eligible to apply for this internship. They can be from BTech, they can be from structural engineering. They should be available for a duration of 6 months and they should have relevant skills and interests. There are 2 positions for this intern role at Jaipur Smart City Private Limited. Now we are curious in knowing how to apply for this internship. So, as you can see, there is a link given, so I am clicking on this link. As soon as I click on this link, I get to the website of AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. And now here we are. Here you can see you can either log in or register. So since you are new to this website, so you will register. And you can register filling all the necessary details and then you can apply for this form. Thank you for watching.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track.